All right, so you know how there's products that you get, well, that I get on the channel, and I want to save it to do an unboxing, but then you end up unboxing the actual product before you get a chance to do the video, and then you've been using the product so you can really talk some truth about the product. That's what I did right here with this Pitaka carbon fiber watch band. And I'm here to tell you, man, ever since they sent this to me and I was backlogged with videos, I was a little sick, I was under the weather, and I didn't have a chance to record it yet, but I took it out and I modified this watch band. And this has probably been almost a month ago, and I have been using the Pitaka carbon fiber watch band for my Apple Watch Series 6 since then, and it has not came off my Apple Watch unless I went out somewhere. We actually had a little elegant event. We had to kind of dress up a little bit, and then I switched it and took it to the leather. But other than that, this has been my daily go-to watch band. So let me go ahead and tell you all about it. Let me tell you about the things that I like about it and what made it just catapult over every single other watch band that I had out there. So like I said, I have been using this thing probably for about a month now, and let me go ahead and snap it off my wrist. As you see, I'm a diehard Apple Watch wearer. I do have the crazy tan mark, but yes, go ahead and look at this carbon fiber watch band from Pitaka for the, I was gonna say an Apple Watch Series 6, but no, this will work with any Apple Watch that you have. So you may be looking at this and you may have a Series 1 still. I don't know who out there may have an Apple Watch Series 1 still, but if you do, you're good, because this works with any of the Apple Watches out there. You have your sizes that you can choose from, whether you have a big one, whether you have a small one, you're all good to go. So some things to tell you about this thing. The first thing that just jumped out at me when it came to this watch was how light this thing is. This thing is so light with this carbon fiber watch band, and this is real carbon fiber. I'm not here to lie to you guys. This is going to be real carbon fiber when it comes to the watch band. Now, one thing about me, I'm not sure about you, but when it comes to a watch band, when it comes to things on my wrist, I don't like stuff that's bulky. I don't like stuff that's gonna be heavy, gonna be lagging my wrist down. I don't know about you, but I wear Apple Watch every single day, and I need a minimalistic band. Usually I like to do the sport band, but I like to have a kind of a active leather type-ish band, that kind of like an all-purpose band that kind of go with everything. That's what I used to rock until I got this band. Since I got this carbon fiber band in, like I said, this has been my everyday band because one, it is so light, and it's just light. This thing is so light, it's unreal, man. I really can't even, of course, show you how light it is on camera. I probably need to get like a little weight measure, whatever, your scale, and put it up there so you can see how light it is. And I'll post on the screen how light it is. I'm not good with the numbers. You know, I don't really get all analytical like that on this channel, but it is just crazy paper thin light. And reason number two, man, is how you adjust. Now, a lot of us, let's just be real, we are lazy when it comes to Apple bands. We want to just slap it on, walk out the door, and be good to go. But when we start talking about stainless steel bands and bands that have their own individual links, that's when it can get a little bit cumbersome, man. But Pitaka got you laid out, man, because they actually provided a little tool here, and it actually has Pitaka's branding up here, which is pretty dope. This is kind of like a semi-ejection tool that you get in your phone with your smartphones. I think we're still getting them. You know, they took everything out of the packaging when it comes to these smartphones, but it's just kind of just like this. And I'm not going to do it on camera, but as you can see here, each one of the links have their own hole right here. So basically what you'll do, and it's trying to tag on to my iPhone over here for some reason, but you basically was going to press one of these and it's going to press the link out the other side. Just standard configuration when we're talking about adjusting links. I don't want to do it because those pins are very small. They'll fly out. You will lose them. So when you do this, man, be very conscious when you're taking these pins out, and also make like a little barrier if you can, because I had a pin shoot out and it hit the ground and I had to legit look for about 15 minutes till I finally found it. So, but they do make it pretty easy to adjust. You just pop these out and adjust and adjust and adjust. Now I have fairly small wrist, so let me put all this down and let me go ahead and open up the packaging and let me show you how many that I have taken out. So they give you an extra one right here, and I think they may give you 2 extra links, but I think I took out about 4 links altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4. If they gave you one, then that means I've taken out 3 links. I know they give you a certain amount of links extra in case you have a big wrist. They give you extra links, and just in the event that you don't need to take any out or you need to add them, then they also provide links right there. But this will give you everything you need to go to get up and get going. And I just love the way this thing is. Once I adjusted it and got it all together, it's fairly easy to put on and put off. It basically has a regular little clasp system, which is magnetic right here. So you're just gonna throw it over your wrist like this, and then just let it kind of do its thing. It's kind of hard to do on camera because I have it at that weird position to where it's easy to clasp, boom, but it's not, because it's like I have it just where it's snug enough so it's not going to be rotating and doing all this crazy stuff and just like that, but super snug. This works fine for me, doesn't jiggle, doesn't make any unnecessary noise, just works perfect for me. Now, another thing that's very important to me when it comes to my watch bands is they have to be water resistant, because I'm basically giving my son a bath every single day, you know, and so when I'm giving a bath, I don't take stuff off. I leave all electronics intact. I wash with my phone next to the bathtub. I do everything like that. So when I'm talking about a watch band, I need it to be water resistant, and this watch band is water resistant. Now they tell you, don't go in salt water and don't go like, I forgot what they said, like swimming and something. Don't do anything super extreme. But when we're talking about washing your hands, doing things like that, if you want to take a shower with your watch on, you might be one of those people who keep it on during a shower. You can do that because this is going to be water resistant. And like I said, I've been having it for a complete month. Every single day, I have not taken this watch band off, like I told you, except one night when we went out. I had like brown kind of earth tone colors on, and I switched it up, put the leather watch band on because I felt like that was a little bit more on the elegant side. But other than that, this thing has been my daily watch band, and it will continue to be my daily watch band just because of how unique it is. It's carbon fiber, very good look, and it definitely looks very good with the, I just have the space gray aluminum Apple Watch. Now I'm not sure how it'll look with all the other different colors, but if you have a different one, I'm pretty sure at the end of the day, it'll probably look dope. Unfortunately, they don't have colors when it comes to this. You're either going to get retro black, and I think they have another type black that is called. I'm not sure 100% what it's called, but they do have two different colors. I think one's like more of a gray. Other one could be more of a black. So you don't have that many options, but we're talking about carbon fiber. You're not going to get a bunch of colors anyway. So that's just one thing that I love about this watch, man. So water resistant, extremely light, works with all of the Apple Watches, no matter if you have a Series 1, SE, all the way to a Series 6. And it includes all the tools that you need to adjust it, adjust them perfectly. And then when we're talking about putting it on, it's the same system. You just slide it on. There's no issues, you know what I mean? You just slide it on and you're good to go. Slap it on your wrist with that clasp system, little Pitaka branding. If I can flip my wrist around, little Pitaka branding right here on the clasp. I don't even know if you guys can see it, but excellent watch band. Love this watch band. Pitaka did an amazing job with this watch band, man, and I just love it. So you already know I will leave the link down here to this one. And also you can see right here, man, say you want to go with the whole Pitaka family lineup when we're talking about this whole carbon fiber swag drip, whatever you want to call it. I do have the carbon fiber AirPod case. Now this, once again, I'm not saying this just for the video. You guys, you love to think that people are saying stuff just for the video, but no, this has been my AirPod case since they sent all of this whole package together. So you get your carbon fiber AirPod case right here. Then if you want to protect it with some more Pitaka, you can get the Mag Easy case right here. I think this is called the Mag Easy Pro. I reviewed this a while back on the channel. They just sent more of a refresh one just so I can show you guys. And this also has that carbon fiber look with this air mid fiber. Very nice. This is MagSafe compatible. So they do have a magnet in here so you can pop it on MagSafe and be good to go. And I just did it right here on my MagSafe charger just so I can kind of verify it. Boom, it does pop and work on MagSafe, as you can see right there. So very nice case. I love this case. Definitely one of my top cases for the 12 Pro Max. And then to finish all out, you can have that carbon fiber watch band that just completes the entire Pitaka family. But you already know, man, I will leave links to each and every one of these products down below. Definitely check it out, man. This product right here is definitely on my top recommendation list. I need to start making one of these, man, and kind of put it down below of everything that I highly recommend. A lot of stuff that I review on the channel, I may review it, but I may not use it. But there are some items that I review that I use and I love it. And this is going to be one of these, man. This carbon fiber watch band, hands down, one of the best watch bands that I've had for my Apple Watch. And no, I didn't get paid for this video or nothing like that. So don't say that, man. I really, really do like this watch band. So you already know the link to everything that we just talked about will be down below in the description. Go check it out. Go grab yourself one, man. Technically, do the YouTube things. You already know, man. Like, comment, hit that sub button, turn that bell on so you don't miss out on any future videos. It's going to be a hot time coming up this fall when we're talking about these videos. You don't want to miss it, man. But stay tuned. Everyone be safe. Catch you on the next one. Later.